Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 13 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. So to get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool like this one, which comes provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you're going to pop out the SIM tray, which will be located at the bottom of the phone. As you can see right over here, it's cut out. There's also an insert pin in that cutout, so put your tool, push it in, and the tray comes out ever so slightly, enough for you to grab it and take it out. Now on the tray you have space for a SIM card, and only that on either side, so you can use two different SIM cards at the same time or one of them. So just place your card on the tray, make sure it's clipped in there correctly. It shouldn't be protruding from the tray at all. And if you flip it over, it should be staying in there without any kind of problem. Anyway, from there, insert it back into your phone, and the card should start working right away, or well, after like a couple seconds once it starts looking for reception and finds it, which it already did for me. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.